The difference between complicated and complex is critical to our understanding of how to navigate complex conflicts. I'm Dr. Mark Szabo, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the difference between these two important concepts. Complicated things are predictable. Complex things are unpredictable. And a great way to think about this is the difference between a Swiss watch and a flock of birds. So a Swiss watch, lots of moving parts, hard to understand what's going on in there, but once you get it, then you get it, and you know exactly how it works. More to the point, once you know how it works, it's the definition of predictable. You know what's going to happen down to the second. Complicated things are predictable. An example of a complex thing is a flock of birds. So I'm talking about starlings. You know, they do what's called a murmuration, where they flock together and they hunt together, like almost like a school of fish too, where they're moving together and there's no leader. You never know where the thing is going to go. It's just sort of chaotic and beautiful. That's something that's complex because it is inherently unpredictable. If I show up and grab my watch tomorrow, I know exactly what's going to happen, and I know down to the second, literally, what's going to go on. If I tried to show up and see that flock of birds the next day, not only is it gone, but even if it was gone, or even if it was back there again, it would still be doing that same kind of crazy thing, totally unpredictable. So complex is unpredictable, complicated is predictable. And we'll see as we unfold the concepts behind Fight Different and its underlying philosophy of focal thinking, that difference between complicated and complex is critical, because what happens is when we try and apply the rules that work for things that are complicated, i.e. predictable, to things that are complex, i.e. unpredictable, nasty things happen. And so we're going to unpack that in the next couple of videos. Anyway, thanks for joining. If you agree or disagree, prove it and let me know with a thumb up and thumb down. Maybe let us know why, so the group can understand your thinking. Anyway, again, my name is Dr. Mark Szabo. The world needs you, so let's get out there and fight different.